Whoa.
So a few months ago, I finally got my Stickybones pose puppet, which is what you've just seen in that little animation. This was something that I ordered over 3 years ago, back in 2016, and I finally have got it in my hands right now. And I really wanted to play around, so I just did this quick spin on the spot, and I wanted to give a bit of momentum, so I started by moving his arms and then going back to quite an exaggerated position, so his hand tipped backwards, and then I pulled his arms around quite fast, and as his arms started moving across his body followed. And that's a good thing to know when you're animating characters, is to think, where does the movement come from, and then what parts of the body will follow that movement. The movement of any action starts from somewhere, whether that's from your shoulder, from your hip, from your hand. Really think about where a movement comes from and act it out if you need to. A lot of people, even in the professional industry, do that. They call them video lavs, which are live action videos, and you can act something out and then kind of use that as a reference frame by frame. But basically what I did was I span him round quite fast, made sure that all of his body was following what the arms were doing, and I made him lift up a leg to exaggerate the spin, and then as he comes to settle down at the end, I made that leg come back down, and then I wanted a bit of a wobble, because obviously if you spin on the spot you get a bit dizzy. So that's how I ended things off. I hope you found this helpful. I want to use this character more often, so let me know down in the comments if you have any ideas or thoughts. As always, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more content from me. There's new content every single week.
Whoa.